airport. This is chronicling our visit.
Yeah.
We have to go get some food because Dad, for some reason, just because he took off at 1 a.m. this morning, he's hungry. Kind of honoring, if you ask me, but whatever. So we'll get more later. Hello.
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 Hello there, sweet bugs.
There's the church.
Steeple's kind of tweaked out.
Steeple's a little tweaked, but it looks okay. Yeah. I don't think we're getting into the bad areas yet.
A couple of trees over here. I got the Hummer.
Sweet.
We'll do it. Love you, dear.
See ya.
Bye. Tell the kids hi.
Alright, so this is your ward now,
This is our
huh?
ward now.
Sweet. We're in Michael's ward. Don't see too much problems. Yeah, look at all those fabulous.
Pretty mellow.
Just coming over. What is this? Just the bridge?
Oh, look at this bridge. Cars down here.
Oh, yeah.
Track.
They're tipped over and stuff.
Hey,
Can't hardly see them.
That's kind of cool shot. Over here. Oh, the guy fixing the railing there. Oh, look at the...
Wow. There's a diesel tipped over right over there. Yeah. Crazy. And there's a couple other trains just loaded up.
Just hanging out. We had a lady in our ward who was staying there.
It's open. Maybe.
Hopefully, yeah, I'm sure she's gone.
Looking over the Chalmette ward here, seeing what's going on.
Is this East New Orleans? This is New Orleans East, yes. As soon as you pass the top of the bridge, we're in New Orleans East. Tons of trees. Yeah.
Lots of trees all over.
Look at the grass.
Yeah.
You will never see grass this color.
Burnt.
In Louisiana.
Yeah, that is kind of strange. It's all brown and
Dead.
dried up, dead grass.
Yeah, you don't have.
You don't get brown.
Look at those houses, all skinny wampus.
Look what brown can do for you. Wait, that's different. Huh?
Those trees.
Or what's left of them. Jeez. The toxic sludge is sucking them of their life. Nasty.
Got sweet Sarah last night. She said, "If you can get, I'd love to really see every inch of the house."
We'll get it.
I said, "Well,
Sarah, we're gonna get the house for you. See what we can do."
Oh,
I videoed my house, so I'm pretty good at it.
Oh my gosh.
Dang. See you later. Alright, this is not it.
Be slowly.
But as you can see, the road is nice and open. So we're not having problems with traffic today.
I like the no roof on that one. That's pretty cool.
Yeah. The no roof apartment building, sir. Thinking you could get one pretty cheap right now. There's not a lot going on.
Now leasing.
Now leasing. Yeah, I bet.
Get you
$1 a week. Not that you can get anything else in the area. Was that going to be a development?
That used to be something. That was something.
That was something. Holy cow.
It was.
It's just nothing.
No, they already dozed it.
That's hating.
Most of this will probably end up dozing. A lot of houses.
Yeah, look at the tops of those.
Oh, look at that big tree.
Here's the us old of 8th. Used to be a something.
Yeah, little thing.
Here's
the mall.
Hold on. Yeah, let's watch the road.
Come on, idiot. Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's a sweet pizza, whatever that is. Over
Yeah,
there.
it's a sign. It was a Save-A-Lot sign.
Save a lot. Yeah, I bet you can save a ton.
Yeah, there's the mall.
Wow. Well, Dillard's is looking good though, Mom. Mom, if you see this, just want you to know it's still there. You can save. Then we got some serious bargains.
Mom's, you could call that Mom's temporal.
Mom's. Yes.
Remember, this was 4 weeks after it hit.
This is, yeah, it's four. Oh, good looking bus. 4 weeks.
I don't think
still deserted.
Oh,
you can see on those cars. I don't know if you can see it, but you can see how high the mud got over them. They're still caked on. Huh.
Don't think they'll be selling those anytime soon.
Yeah. Word to the wise, don't buy New Orleans used cars for a few years.
Look at all this.
Hey.
Now, what is that?
See, your area is going to be lots worse than all this stuff.
Yeah, they have just...
Hey, my new employer! I got to get there. Here we go, Circuit City. I'm there for you. This is a business write-off. No.
You know,
I think they're shut down right there, though.
you need to increase the business in that store.
Yeah, it's anyway, we're gonna just write that one off.
It's a nice store. I bought some speakers there.
Hopefully we can make it a lot nicer.
That's right.
We have lots of work to do with Circuit City.
Yeah.
Oh, you can see it again with those
It
cars.
was a little difficult to get the, you know, to find the right things. But,
Yeah, seeing that's just inexcusable.
yeah.
We're going so fast by these cars, it's hard to see, but maybe I can get in closer here.
No.
Well, not really.
Okay.
Hey,
That's pretty
keep going.
crazy.
Yeah, the entire lot.
It's
It
gone.
covered them. Yeah, they're completely covered in just stuff.
I like the.
I wonder how the roller coaster fares.
Yeah, that's a
That's a good
roller
question.
coaster. Look at that.
That's a wonderful question. Let's see.
Did you leave something on again, Dad? Something's big.
Signal faded. Call lost.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Well, that means call lost. That means you're still on a call.
Wait.
It's all hanging up.
Push power off. Smells like we're in Yellowstone here. There's like sulfur something going on.
But,
Wow.
have you had this smell here before?
Wow, what the heck is
Oh,
that?
That's nasty.
I didn't bring any perfume stuff. That is nasty.
Oh, yeah.
Never let Dad eat eggs in the morning.
Oh. I hope you can smell this through the video, because that is...
That is
what is that? That is weird.
Just the nasty, I
It's
guess.
just gross.
well, is there some refinery or something around here?
Yeah, well, there's a coffee plant that way. There's a, right, of course, NASA, the coffee plant.
NASA.
I don't know.
Woo!
Really gross.
Hey. And what does NASA do out here anyway? Do you know?
This is where they make the big booster rocket, the big middle one.
Oh, really?
The one that had problems before. Yeah.
The big orange.
Uh-huh.
The one that they don't like what the foam is doing.
Right, right.
They make it.
Okay. Hmm.
May have fired the foam engineers, I'm not sure.
Possibly. They always need someone to fire when something goes wrong.
You do. You need somebody to
That
stop.
is key.
Someone must take the blame.
More than used to be, huh? I see.
Right there. Same with over there.
There's just more water. It's weird. Why is that? What's going
I
on?
don't know. The infrastructure is still looking pretty good.
Well, those big radio towers look great.
Uh-huh.
Refineries down there look okay.
Yeah, they said that the Chalmette refinery, they said was fine. If they would have had power, they could have started back up.
Really?
Yeah. Because they're right there on the bank, and so they were on the right close to the river, so they didn't hardly float at all.
No fishing. Well, don't worry about it. Hey, you can afford DSL internet.
That's right.
In case you're wondering, and here's a boat on the side of the road.
That's very nice.
And here's
I like
another
that
one.
That's a nice
that
one.
one. That one looks pretty
Has
good.
the dual-
Actually, it's not tipped over or anything.
Yeah.
It's good.
Dual propeller. That's a nice rig.
Wow, look at this building. That is
Wow.
schwanky.
Like the adult superstores kind of got hit.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh darn.
You heard about it
Look at all this stuff to your right.
in Lake Charles? I guess that was one of the.
I guess all this water's not supposed to be right here, huh?
Yeah, it's up pretty high usually, but this is higher than normal. Oh wow.
This
There
is
goes
just
truck
the
stop.
tale of destruction here.
Truck stop is gone.
Wow. A couple of shrimpers not doing so well.
Yeah. Medical at CHS football field. Okay.
There's just junk all over the place. Jeez.
Oh, that thing moved. No, did it? No. No, just the bottom got torn out. Okay.
God.
Yeah.
Oh, there's a couple of big boats out there. I don't know if I could zoom in on them, but
Yeah. There's a big one coming up right here. It's turned over.
Oh, somebody's ski boat.
Yeah.
Hello, ski boat.
Wow.
Didn't bring my hitch.
This guy took a big old.
Here's somebody else's boat, just kind of hanging out. Wow.
Oh, they kind of lodge.
The Econo Lodge, we're not staying there.
Lucky Bayou.
Dang. The Lucky Bay. Here's a bunch of cars that just kind of got all piled up together. How nice. Oh.
This actually is outside the levee, so.
Outside the key. No.
I don't think the real Pro Tabernacle is in that much.
No. Let's see. This one just got ripped. Wow. That whole phone pole just got snapped in half.
It's okay.
Community college. No. Your old employer, Hibernia. Hi. I think we went to that one when we were here.
Look at the mud. I don't think it is.
Let's zoom in on the mud on the side of the road.
Oh, and there's the. All the lights.
Oh, a Sonic! No! Say it isn't true. Look at that. Where am I going to get my tots?
Now, Michael, your apartment where you kids live, isn't that off to the right here?
He was right back there, right where the.
The Winn-Dixie looks really good. That's
Back
funky.
by the Circle K?
Yeah, right back by the Circle K. Yeah.
So we're going down the main drag right now?
This is Paris Road, main drag.
Yeah.
Chalmette.
I just don't recognize it as well as I did before.
Not much stuff left anymore.
Wow.
Now, the X on the side, that means it's gone or going?
That it could be also.
Or could be there's nobody here.
Yeah, also,
when they were
like in
saving
there,
people.
They had a whole little denotation of, is there anybody in here or not?
Right.
Okay.
We've saved everybody. Somebody's sticking around. Dang.
Oh, giraffe made it through back there.
There's a couple of guys, Army or something here, camped out.
Army National Guard. They
Just kind of holding down the fort, playing some cards or something. That's good.
keeping us safe. Oh, B&J. Now that hurts.
That is
That is
where we got
good
the
seafood
great
place.
shrimp.
Oh no. It's gone.
Down.
This is gonna make somebody sick.
Hey, whoa. Hey, the portalets though.
They look fine.
They do look cool.
They were
Yeah,
there
I was just
before.
thinking, I brought hand sanitizer, and I think we have some toilet paper upstairs.
I have some TP with me too.
Good, okay. That's something I had forgotten.
Always prepared. So where are we now?
Wow, like that. Okay, we are on Judge Perez.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I remember
Heading
that.
down the parish.
Now, the thing we really have to look for is the like snow cones, what do you call them?
Yeah,
Those stands.
snowballs.
Yeah.
There's the Fidelity. They almost finished before it got flooded.
Before it got flooded. All that work.
Here's Chalmette High School right here. See what the medical facility is up. There was
Yes,
Lacoste.
indeed. Very nice. Chalmette Owls.
That's right.
You have a lot of owls in Louisiana?
There, yeah.
The cow was still up there.
Hey, it did survive. That's cool.
There's just kind of dirt all over the road.
Yeah.
It's not like as sludgy as I would have thought. Maybe because it's 4 weeks later, I suppose.
Yeah, it's been
And this
dry.
is the main road.
And this is the main, and I guess they come in. Well, you can kind of tell how thick it is
I like the boat.
if you look kind of down. Yeah, there's a boat in the middle of the road. That's nice.
Place, hopefully.
It's just all dust and dirt that you can tell somebody scraped it off the road since then. Wow. There's a bus. Just
Picked up
okay.
Yeah, picked up on the left.
It's just happening.
That was a car wash.
Wow.
I don't think that's where you want to park your boat.
Yeah. You know, as I'm trying to look at the water lines to tell how high things got, but I'm not seeing a lot
Is
of.
this the Chalmette refinery in here?
No, this is Murphy. Chalmette is at the end of Paris Road. We'll probably go by that one on the way back out.
Trailer park destroyed,
Yeah.
like they always get destroyed.
Their home was in this on this
Well,
side.
that's gonna be tough to watch, but it's hard to do it when you're moving.
Telephone pole down the. Yeah, look at all the poles down here.
Yeah, just pole after pole.
Yeah.
Tink, 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 tink. Big old trees across the side of the road. That one looks like it got burned.
We did.
Wow, that whole
Wow.
place got torched.
That one. That's like one whole side of the. I think it was like a karate place or something.
Here's the Dollar
That
General.
was the Miro food store. Oh, the Wendy's. Oh. Yeah, that hurts.
Holy cow, look at all those
Should we
houses.
drive by the church first?
Yeah, that's fine.
It's right here.
Man, I would have not recognized
Yeah, I'm having a hard time telling where we're at.
Okay.
Those houses are probably not going to last. I would say
Look at
they're
that one.
structurally
Look, you just-
unsound.
Oh, look at this one right here.
Yeah, maybe we could stay. Yeah, let me get there. We gotta get some good here. Wow. Hard to video on the road like this.
Oh, there's the gun fish.
Oh, there's some just crap. Look how high. You can tell high now.
Yeah.
When it gets on top of the roof. Let's see. Zoom in on this
That's
one.
a shed. As we come around, look at the shed.
Alright, hang on. There you can see how high with all that crap on the roof up there. That's probably how high the water is. And then that's a shed, sort of.
This place.
Yeah, this
Oh,
is
look at
just a big. Oh, look at that boat
The boat on top
on
of the...
top of the. Oh, and it's a Honda too. I mean, you're killing me here. Yeah, you can start to see insulation just dangling down. You could see little red and yellow X's on people's windows and things. Whoa, that was a shed too. Oh, the upside down truck.
Cab.
Very nice. Yeah, this area got killed. Wow.
Full on suits.
Some guys in big suits. I don't think I'll be dressed
And the
in
guy
black.
doesn't believe him.
Yeah. And this will be the opposite guy. Maybe he doesn't even want to wear a shirt. But yeah, it's just caked in this mud. You can kind of see now. It's mud stuff. So we're by the church?
Yes.
Okay.
We'll see in just a moment. Coming up on your left.
On your left, Church of Jesus Christ of Latter-day Saints. It's looking rather good.
And there's the cars that were here.
On the outside, it's looking fine. Look at that, tipped over, air conditioning a little bit, but that's no big deal. We can fix that.
That's right.
It looks great.
It does look really good. I'm impressed.
Look at it, it looks much better than, I mean, okay, wait. House across the street, church. And they got green,
One life.
one life, because that was that lady, right?
Yep, that's the straight away.
Wow.
You guys want to come in?
The ground is really strange. You can kind of tell it's like, it's caked on. Here, I'll show you my foot. Yeah, it's like bark on the ground, and you can kick it, and it just moves. It's not quite, I mean, it's mud, but it's something more than mud. But it's all over. This is the church parking lot, and you can just totally kick it around, and it's not hard to move at all.
The church held up really well.
Yeah,
A little bit of gutter damage.
the church is looking great. I mean,
Especially when you look at the home.
the roof and everything. I mean, there's a couple of busted out windows and stuff, but wow. Yeah, the home's into the church. We thought we were okay until we looked down, and there's just this, I don't know, 6 inches of sludge. I don't know how well we're going to be able to see this, but we're going in, and it's wasted inside. You can see through the roof. And you can hear my boots. Yeah. Holy cow. Say you need to do something with your foyer. It's Yeah, Dad.
If you wanted a water line, you got a good one in here.
A water line? Oh wow, here's the church.
Check out the foot pedal.
Oh,
Here's
it
the foot pedal
stinks.
for the organ.
It really smells in here.
Yeah, it's nasty.
Wow.
There's
Foot
a-
pedal for the organ.
Yeah, right here.
And here's the rest of it. Yeah, you can see the water line there.
Yeah.
It goes right up to the wood.
Yep, right there.
You can kind of see, wow. What an amazing smell you've discovered.
Nasty.
Was that on Star Wars?
Yep.
Oh my gosh, this sludge is nasty. This is what I was expecting. Wow. Yuck.
Hey, with the hoop still up.
But we could play ball.
Oh, look,
Alright.
everything above the water line is perfect.
Yeah.
Nasty.
Good. The only I'll be giving it in the top over here.
I think you're done.
There's your posies.
Yep.
Oh, poor flowers.
Well, now I know how to put the front of this together.
Yeah, I wouldn't worry about trying to save anything.
Yeah, that's the only thing that worries me about your house is your staircase.
Oh, there's a snake.
Where?
Right there. It just came out of your flowers. It just went underneath this big thing.
Okay, underneath the keyboard.
Yeah, just a small one.
Small.
It's not getting past my boots, man.
I don't think the rostrum was gonna.
What is this ground? This is more than mud.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Him book anybody?
Hello.
Wow. Hello.
Hello.
Congratulations.
This is Bishop
Talking today from the,
Rowberry.
Talking about affliction here.
Wow.
Wow, this is crap.
Okay, well, let's go check out the bishop.
What is all these little footprints?
Those are animals.
What kind of
We're
animals do you
thinking-
think are in here?
We know we had armadillos.
I'm just trying to figure out. I mean, they're all over the
Yeah,
place.
I was thinking armadillos, possibly
that
some
what-
rats. There's a
Well,
bunch.
sure, but these.
These ones right there. I think those are armadillo.
Yeah.
And because see the little
Something
tail.
heavy enough to get down to this mud.
Yeah, but look at the see. I also have a little tail dragging behind it. So I think that's what that is.
Yeah, and they ran out of here because of the stench too, me. Even the animals did.
Probably because they could.
Yeah, eventually, once the water got down enough. There was
You can
one-
see the mold start to grow on the chairs.
Yeah, check that out. Goodness. Wow.
Yeah, okay, so the outside looks good, but
Want to see the sacrament preparation room? You probably haven't seen one like this before.
the water really did get high. I mean, imagine water that high.
Yeah,
You're at 10 feet up there.
Hey, there's some water for you. You don't want to take a sample.
Oh, yeah.
Let's go around. Let's go to the bishop's office.
Here's the other foyer, if you can see it through the darkness, coming out of the church.
Right there.
Is
Is that in here?
Alright, this is the bishop's office. Not a lot left, lots of mold, of course, growing everywhere after 4 weeks of underwaterness. But I'd say Michael does, his office has looked a little better. It's hard to get this whole thing, but there's just stuff piled all over him. Yuckiness. The clock doesn't work anymore.
Then send it back to the manufacturer.
Be like, what's your deal? It can't survive a major catastrophe? What are you trying to do? Just destroyed.
Try and get the drawers out.
There's the ceiling. You can kind of see where the water line went. Kitchen. And where? Oh, look up. There's the fridge. Stuck in the ceiling.
Yeah, she had to be wearing this.
Michael thinks, who is this, Toad?
This is Sister Attaway.
Sister Attaway was wearing
The
this.
sister who was here, she had
The sister who was stuck. Man, it really smells in this room.
Yeah.
What is that? It's that same smell we smelled coming over.
Hey, popcorn. Popcorn.
It's called crud.
It's weird.
Yeah, it is.
Ugh.
Okay, well, let's go upstairs.
Okay. If it's red, it turns red when it's
Okay, this is the way the Villanuevas climbed up through the, here's the mixins, up to the top, and here is the attic, right there. I don't know if you can see it. How do you go in and out, B?